Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Microsoft OneDrive or Google Drive to ChatGPT. It's pretty easy and straightforward. So first and first, you want to go to chatgpt.com, all right, log into your account. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is come down here to this icon right here. Click on this icon, okay? So right here, it says connect to Google Drive, and here it says connect to OneDrive personal or work school account. Okay, so we're gonna connect to Google Drive first to see how it works. As you can see, it says your account is now connected. Okay, so now that our account has been connected to our Google Drive, right here we can upload any file that we want ChatGPT to work on for us from our Google Drive. So I'm just gonna select the file and then can go from there. Alright, our file has been uploaded, so now we're gonna send it in and see what ChatGPT can give us back. As you can see, ChatGPT has analyzed the file I sent in. Alright, this is a detailed format of the file I sent in, and this is really good. Okay, so this is how you connect your Google Drive or Microsoft OneDrive to ChatGPT. So we've done Google Drive, and for Microsoft OneDrive, all you have to do is click on this link again. Click on Connect Apps and then connect your Microsoft OneDrive to ChatGPT. So this is the easiest way to connect your Microsoft OneDrive or Google Drive to ChatGPT. So if you gain something from this video, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel.